The future is arriving faster than you think. Work is evolving as business operations and models they realign amidst this pandemic that has reshaped businesses, customers, but also employees. And businesses now have to adapt to the new risk landscape that's emerging in 2021, but also in the decade ahead of moving into 2030. And according to a report from global consulting firm Protiviti, business executives, they can prepare for these risks across three prominent dimensions. The first one is the macroeconomic risk that impacts business growth potential, including shifting perspectives on diversity, equality, and inclusivity, but also market volatility or evolving global trade policies and geopolitical shifts. The second one is strategic risk, such as COVID-19 impact or disruptive technologies, and also sustaining customer loyalty. And the third one is the operational risk, like protecting the health and the safety of employees, your customers, your suppliers, and your communities. But you can also think about cyber threats or legacy IT systems and properly utilizing data and analytics. So organizations need to have policies in place that help them to react to various risk scenarios and the capabilities to activate these policies when the time comes. And this helps organizations to prepare for future risk so that they can mitigate their impact, implement specific response procedures, but also communicate these plans across the entire organization. So organizations who learn to adapt alongside these evolving trends, like shifting and flexible consumer and employee preferences, but also promoting inclusivity and social justice initiatives, they will be better prepared to thrive into the future. And this is according to Protiviti's report. So businesses must focus on employee experience as much as on customer experience. So employees, they need the freedom, they need tools and the technology to work in a hybrid remote workplace. And they need to have a sense of connection and community to each other, to the business as well, but also to your customers. And this drives efficiency and productivity, which is achieved as businesses provide technology to collaborate remotely, but also emphasize team building practices and promote feedback cycles. So championing equality and diversity in a positive way shapes your culture. C-suites, they should lead and recognize global efforts that drive change through inclusivity. And sustainable diversity and inclusion strategies, they can result in substantially better job effort, but also improve the performance and retention. So it's the role of the leaders to drive cultural change and impact by recognizing and acknowledging employee achievements. So this improves business continuity and improves your resilience, because what is recognized is repeated throughout the organization. So leaders, they must understand that modern employees want a sense of meaning in their jobs. And C-level, they must tie this individual achievement of employees to the greater goals of the organization. So organizations create lasting business models by merging the worlds of business and IT, but also driving technological adoption like automation and investing in environmental sustainability standards, for example. And IT plays an incremental role in business continuity and in functionality. As security risks continually increase, cloud applications scale, but also infrastructures evolve. Businesses need to be consistently operational to help mitigate and to respond to security risks. And they can do this by adapting their technology and their business models and reevaluating their approach to increasing data volumes, but also by improving employee remote work access and continuously prioritizing customers' digital behavior. So the role of the CIO is more critical than ever before because they are responsible for driving cloud adoption and for furthering organization-wide use of automation, natural language processing, but also advanced analytics. And promoting environmental causes is also important for building sustainable business models of the future. Also, organizations can update infrastructure and embrace green production standards, investing in technologies that save energy and reduce carbon footprints. So helping the environment goes hand in hand with innovation that drives lasting improvements to your brand image and to business infrastructure. So this in turn helps to improve your brand image, impacting how customers perceive and interact with your organization, as many modern customers prefer working with organizations who promote environmental causes.